Hi, my name is Nashka and I'm from the Sri Ram School, Malsuri. And meeting the Dalai Lama has been a really special opportunity. I think what I liked most about this experience was that knowing that there are spiritual leaders that are thinking about problems like these, and um, his emphasis on how the responsibility of the unity of the future generations relies on us was very empowering and quite beautiful.
My name is Dr. Kaveri Gill. I'm a professor at Shiv Nada University. It's been absolutely wonderful to hear his Dalai Lama address children. His various commitments, amongst his various commitments, he mentioned too interreligious harmony and also the importance of ancient Indian wisdom to combine that with a modern education system. And I think we all know, he said it very often, that the 21st century is for the future generation, the youngsters. So, as always, His Holiness, to go deep and to go vast, he gave, he touched upon Anatma, Atma, deep Buddhist philosophy ideas, along with, simple things like the importance of a mother's love in our developing compassion. So, the reach of His Holiness as always across age groups, audiences, and today it's particularly wonderful and heartwarming that he's addressed gathering of young school children from across Delhi and the country as well. And it's a real blessing, and that we are lucky to have such a being amongst us, and he's made India his home. It's our good fortune, being the Arya land, that we have these great Tibetan. Today I would say His Holiness embodies the best of the Nalanda tradition, the ancient wisdom tradition. He is it. He is a living embodiment, and the fact that he can relate, he can relate to different audiences at different levels and convey to them the importance rationally, using humor and his huge personality. So we are very, very grateful. And for the youngsters, today is one of the most important days of their lives. They may realize this 60 years into the future.
Hi, my name is Shiv. I'm from the Sri Ram School. Meeting the Dalai Lama was really cool. It's very reassuring knowing that there are spiritual leaders who are aware of the divides between people and are actively trying to fix the ruptures between various sects of society. And it was also is a very cool guy.
I am Pritha. I am a teacher at the Sri Ram School, Malsuri. And I was very, very humbled, very, very overwhelmed. And I could feel the love radiating into ourselves. And we're really motivated to live by the teachings of His Holiness.
My name is Arshia Malik. I am from school, Manasthali Global School. His Holiness is, I think he is the most humble man. He is really very down to earth, and I really very like to meet him here at Sri Ram School, and I am very, very thankful.
I am Swayam Verma from class 5A, studying in Manasthali Global School. Yeah, so as we all have came here to Sri Ram Global School, Vasant Vihar, to listen the speech of His Holiness Dalai Lama. I like the spiritual power and about the humble soul he shared, and the information was awesome, and I overall like the setup of the stage was amazing. Thank you, and it was a great experience over here. Thank you.
I'm Geetika Litter from the Sri Ram School. I teach here, and it's been an overwhelming experience for our students and teachers and staff of the school and many other schools to have seen His Holiness and witnessed and been in his aura and been blessed by him. I mean, it was a wonderful, wonderful experience.
It was a brilliant show because the man who has come, he was so energetic and can spoke to us, and it was a brilliant one. Thank you.
So my name is Christopher Kerber. I work at the Heritage International Experiential Learning School in Gurgaon. And I was deeply moved and inspired by His Holiness's talk today. Particularly, it felt relevant to me in terms of our work in trying to rethink education and the importance of character education in schools, that competition for the sake of personal enrichment and material mindedness is not enough. It's not helping our planet, it's not helping our world, and it's not bringing the kind of peace of mind that His Holiness wished for our students. So I really made me feel a strong commitment that as important as teaching students facts and knowledge and all the other stuff they have to learn in school, teaching them how to explore themselves, how to be self-empowered, how their own mind functions, and ultimately to develop that character of compassion and caring for others, and even the ability to look at someone you're having a conflict with as your greatest opportunity to learn, and as a teacher is really, really important and actually very practical. It speaks to things that we as educators can do in schools to help this next generation, because ultimately, as Dalai Lama pointed out, they're the ones who are going to have to solve their problems, whether it's their own internal problems they face in their life or global problems such as war, poverty, and climate change. So I really found it relevant to my work as an educator.